first thing that we do for getting ready for the festive season, for the Christmas and New Year. The cake that we'll be baking at that time, the plum cake, the plum pudding as we would call it, the fruits, the alcohol, the spices need to be mixed and maturated for at least a month. So today we did that with all our guests and all our members of staff coming together to mix more than 100 kilos of dry fruits and alcohol being mixed, spices being mixed, so that it matures, it stores well, and it develops in flavor.